The OpenSky secured card doesn't work like traditional cards where you request a credit limit increase, because your limit is directly tied to the deposit you've put down. By the end, you'll understand how OpenSky credit limits actually increase, what triggers a higher limit, and the exact steps that give you the best chance of getting more spending power. First thing to know is that your credit limit equals your security deposit. If you started with a lower deposit, your limit is fixed at that amount. There's no automatic increase unless you change the deposit or upgrade the account. The most direct way to increase your limit is adding more to your security deposit. Some users do this after opening the account once they realize they need more available credit. You typically need to make that request through the issuer's support or account settings, depending on how your account is set up. Another path is account upgrade. Over time, some secured cards allow you to transition into an unsecured card. When that happens, your credit limit is no longer tied to a deposit and can be reassessed based on your credit profile and payment history. Consistent on-time payments and low utilization improve your chances of qualifying for that upgrade. Payment behavior matters more than people expect. Even though OpenSky is a secured card, your activity is still reported to credit bureaus. Keeping balances low and paying on time builds a stronger profile, which can help you qualify for better terms or higher limits in the future. If you're hoping for a faster increase, the biggest mistake is maxing out your card every month. High utilization signals risk and can slow down any chance of upgrading or improving your account standing. Another thing to check is account age. New accounts usually need time before any review for changes happens. If your account is very recent, the system is still collecting enough history to evaluate your behavior. If you don't see any option to increase your deposit or request a limit change, the next step is contacting OpenSky support directly. They can tell you whether your account is eligible for an upgrade path or additional deposit changes. To summarize, OpenSky credit limits don't increase through traditional requests. They increase when you add to your deposit or qualify for an upgrade to an unsecured card. Your next step is to check your account options and focus on consistent payments with low usage to improve your future eligibility. If this helped you understand how OpenSky limits actually work, like the video and subscribe for more clear credit breakdowns like this.